Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to pay yourself out of the S Corp. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start setting up payroll in order to actually meet the requirements of what it takes to be an S Corp. So make sure to do your own research. Anything in this video shouldn't be construed as financial advice, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is actually just compare LLC versus sole proprietorship versus S corporation, and then go into how to actually pay yourself as an S corporation. Essentially, with an LLC, you're separating your personal assets from your business assets. Sole proprietorship, there's no distinction between personal and business assets, which means that if your business goes bankrupt, your assets, your personal assets, will be liable as well. Now, with an S corporation, there is a tendency to actually save on taxes if you file as an S corporation. So this is available for LLCs, and then your income as an S corporation is split into a salary and dividends. So usually you start to save money as an S corporation election if your LLC profits exceed $40,000 to $50,000 per year. But just as a really quick example, guys, in this case, let's say that you make $100,000. If you were to file as a sole proprietorship, you're going to get taxed 15%, which is about $15,000 in self-employment tax. But if you were to file as an S corporation, you can pay yourself $60,000 as a salary and $40,000 as dividends. And that $60,000 would be the one that's subject to self-employment tax, which means that you save $60,000 if you were to file as an S corporation. Now, with that being said, you need to pay yourself a reasonable salary. And in order to do that, I recommend using Gusto. So I've been using Gusto to set up payroll for myself for the past 4 years. It only costs like $46, guys. And if you use my link down below in order to sign up, you'll actually get $100 once you run your first payroll. But essentially, click on the link down below, and with that, click on create an account. On this page here, you're just simply going to fill out all the required information: first name, last name, work email, number of employees, password. So this is just the demo account that we're going to use here. And then once you actually set up an account, it's going to ask you to create your company profile. So who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? So I click on myself. How does your company currently run payroll? We're new to running payroll. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? Yes or no? Do you have a company bank account? If you don't, I would recommend Chase Banking. In which states do you work? So I just selected 2 states here. I probably should just select one. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? Yes or no? Next, what industry are you in? So you just simply find the industry that closely resembles what you do. Is your company a cannabis related business? Yes or no? Then click on continue. Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create work hourly schedules? Yes or no? And then the last prompt is, what's your desired first payday with Gusto? So in my company, we send out payouts on the 21st of every month, but you can do it however you want. Okay, there's no right or wrong answer here, and then click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it's going to recommend you a package. This is the plan that I'm on, which is just a $46 a month plan. It's going to allow you to run unlimited payrolls in one state. And the more important thing is that you could actually get your W-2s and your 1099s within this plan as well. You've also got some nice insights and reporting. But with that, click on confirm and setup. Now, once you click on confirm and setup, there's essentially 2 things that you need to set up here. You need to set up your actual payroll, and then you need to set up the employee information of how much that employee is getting paid. Or in your case, how much are you getting paid? So on the left-hand side, you're just going to click on run payroll. And then from this page here, you're going to click on add payroll details. So click on continue. So here you just need to enter your address, your federal tax info, your filing address, your bank account, and your pay schedule. So simply just follow the prompts here and fill out all the information. And on the last page, you'll simply just sign the payroll details. So after you set up the timeline or actual payroll dates, the next thing that you need to do is create the profile of who's going to get paid on Gusto. So you can either click on people and then team members, or you can just click on this create your own profile and click on continue here. So from this page here, you're just going to enter some basic information. So the name, last name, the address, and then the compensation. Okay, so input the job title, the employee type, the amount that they're going to be paid per year, and then click on save and continue. Afterwards, it's just going to ask for more employee info. So here we have, again, the social security number, birthday, just a mock address I put here. You could enter other optional details as well, and then click on save and continue, and then enter the tax elections. So that right there is essentially how to go ahead and pay yourself as an S corporation and using Gusto. So again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below. And once you run your first payroll, you'll essentially just get $100 for free. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.